Hi people, and today we're gonna build a wooden pergola, and there's the fence that we made in the last video. It still hasn't been painted yet, so the pergola goes all the way along here, so we've got to clear all this stuff out of the way, and we're gonna have to cut this tree back.
It'll take a while for this to grow back, isn't it?
Because where we've measured it, it's gonna come right across here. Once it's underneath, it'll grow back the bush and you won't see it, the tree. That's another job done, all neat and tidy there. Like I say, once it grows back you won't notice. So this is the one we're building. Got 3 really long boxes of the stuff. We're just reading through the instructions. So we're just starting to separate out the wood to see what bit goes where. Just checking through the manual. The A and B bits look quite similar, but B's a tiny little bit wider than the A's.
About an extra 8mm.
About an extra 8mm. So we're just putting all the screws in, just getting them all lined up ready, and then once you have a bit of wood in, they should look like this, sort of like an L shape. Right, so we built the outer casings and they've slid on each end. We've also put some adjustable feet so we can raise it up and down to any height we like. That's all 4 of them done. I'll just turn it in. Right, so we've just had to mark in the centre of each of these bars because the screw holes are not in the right place, and then once they're on, they just attach like an arch, like this, screwed on, and you got to do that on every single one. Right, so we've had to do the long pieces. These are 6 pieces all screwed together on each one, so it's 12 altogether. 2 end pieces with wedges. 5 is it? Okay. 10 pieces altogether then. And you've got to just line up the wedges. As you can see, we've done all the other pieces all together there. Right, so we found the pre-cut bit is just a tiny little bit out. We're just gonna take a little bit off with the chisel and hopefully it should fit in there. There we go. Now we've just got to screw it in.
Hello?
What do you want me to do? Okay.
We're all holding the end pieces because they're not attached into the ground, and trying to balance it up. Once we got the roof bits in, it should hold it in place, but it's come over really cloudy, and I'm a bit worried it might start raining as well. So everyone's on a corner until we get him screwed in.
Love how no one's talking. Everyone's just quiet. I'm thinking he just woke up. Right, now that should stand now.
I think we need to move the bottom of that one out a bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Just stabilise it, I think, still. Just care of stabilising it.
That's right, I think we'll be alright now. Yeah.
Oh.
Right, so we've started putting the noggins across to stabilise it. So they're the bits above. Still got to do the other bits. You can try and get the sun out of me. And they're already pre-cut at the end. When I did mine, I had to cut them with a saw at a 90 degree, but these are already cut. So probably at the back, we're going to cut off the back to butt it up to the wall. But we wanted to get it all lined up and stable first.
Did cut the right one off, didn't I, Mike?
Yeah. They've all got to come off.
Hey,
They've all got to come off, so it don't matter.
they've all got to come off so it can go up against the wall.
Mm.
If you find it easier like that, putting a bit of wood through, put a bit of wood through and lift it up.
Right, have you got one screw the bottom plate first? Or?
Yeah, you've got to go up quite high.
We're just adjusting the screw feet until we get it all level. We've got to do this on all the corners to make sure it's at the same height and level all round.
ก็คือเรื่องของเขาอะค่ะเพราะว่าหนึ่งคือ
It's got to get right against the wall.
ว่าแบบแล้วให้อินเผาวันไหน
Just measure this more. Just take measure.
ให้เผาไว้สอง
Right, just measure on the outside of that leg.
ทำเป็นขนาด3 วันเอง
Okay, right, go that side then, shall we?
Well, this is the outside.
I was stood that side.
Yeah, but you should go the outside.
140. Right. Now put that near to the door. Where's the door?
That's the end of the frame.
That's the edge of the frame.
Yeah, to the wall where the brick
Right,
starts.
so to there. Right, that's cool. So the thing itself, out the edge, is going to sit where the doors are basically.
Yeah.
Right? So when you line this up, you want to go over there? That corner. Right, we've got to try and get this against the door. So this is going to line up pretty much there on the door. Right, that will go about there. Somewhere. Get it nearby.
Yeah, because we'll get through past the tree, get it forward, then we move it over, shall we?
Yeah, right. We all ready? Just go slowly, slowly, a little bit at a time. Everyone ready? Everyone okay?
Yes.
How you doing there, Mike? Yeah, what?
Well, I'm just seeing where your camera, it's weird,
Oh,
your
right.
camera.
In the camera, is it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, unfortunately, she's got to move back.
Is that enough? How far back are you going?
Dave, enough to get the camera off, Mike?
Yeah, that should be alright.
Yeah?
Well, I can't.
Just move your leg out a little bit.
It's easy.
Let me see. Go that side, steady that side. I'll have a look at this.
ไม่ยืนตั้งนาน
Fucking camera was in the way there. Yeah,
Well,
so
maybe
what I'm
it's like
thinking
long
is that if I put them bolts in,
they're longer.
they're longer.
อะไรนะคืออีวี่ไงคนที่ลูกบอกตัว
You can make it move.
ในที่สุดลูกทำได้แล้วแม่ลูกเอาน้ำหอมไปฉีดลูกเดียวแล้วค่ะว่าอีวี่เอาไว้แล้วก็ฉีดบ่อยๆถ้าเขาฉีดตัวบ่อยๆเหมือนกัน
Move that way.
เขาไม่เหม็นแบบ
Two. That should be enough.
What?
Yeah, it's just better off more. Yeah. Oh, you know what I think too? Sit there, sit on.
ซึ่งลูกก็เคยลูกก็แบบบางทีลูก
What, you're not staying on the
เดิ
app?
นกับอีวี่ใช่ไหมแล้วใช่ไหมอ่ะแล้วก็เดินมาใช่ไหมนั่งแบบลูกอีวี่ก็แบบ
Better to check where you are in there now. Yeah.
ลูกรู้แล้วว่าทำไมลูกรองเท้าอะไรแบบนั้น
Right, ready to move it back again? Hold it there, Mike.
Yeah, but I thought you could take it off and redo it if you needed to.
No, I think it'll be alright. Looks pretty level. It's not too bad, is it?
Well, we did measure it, so it should be.
Well, no, because we've gone off the patio, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, just the tiniest little bit. That's it. Yeah, virtually nothing.
นี่ก็เปลี่ยนไม้ใหม่ได้ กลิ่นไม้ไผ่
You can tell someone's getting bored of standing around. So we just levelled everything off and we're just drilling some holes to secure it to the floor, anchor it to the floor.
Might swap these out for longer ones, you know. Yeah, got to go and get them out down. I might put longer ones in that.
So now we're just taking off the back support legs because it's all drilled into the wall. So.
And I'll have a look and see what it looks like. So I might end up cutting that off under there. See what looks best.
It's so tight now it won't come out.
It's so tight. I'm actually debating, I might be better off just
Cut
leaving
it
that
off at the
screwed
top.
and cut through it.
Yeah, might be better at the top, leave it with the support.
Cut that through there, see? Leave that block so it looks the same as that side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll cut that off. It's not the easiest to get into, is it?
Done the other one. Do the next one.
Thank you. Beautiful. What do you think? Smart. See what you listen to.
So we're just putting in all the rest of the noggins and just screwing them all down. So we're just filling in these bits, and we've got a decoration bit at the top. So we've just done this one, just nailed it
in there as well.
on. Yeah, we got to put the, I don't know what these are called, supports in. So as you can see, we just nailed these on. Got the back one to do as well. So, yeah.
And then decoration panel for the front.
And there's the panel for the front, the decoration panel.
Oh, now you're blaming me.
Thanks for joining me today, and remember, God wins. So may God the Creator always be with you.
And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and comment. It's completely free.